If you're over 60, picture this. One morning you swing your legs out of bed, stand up, and feel steady, strong, light on your feet. You walk across the room without that heavy, shaky feeling. You head outside for a stroll and realize you're walking faster, with more confidence, like you did years ago. This isn't magic. It's the result of one simple, powerful habit, something you can start tomorrow morning right in your cup of tea. That feeling, that quiet sense that your legs aren't as strong as they used to be isn't just a random part of getting older. There's a name for it: sarcopenia. It's the gradual loss of muscle that often starts after 50. Now, everyone loses some muscle, but for some of us, it happens much faster. And it can become a vicious cycle. Your muscles get weaker, which makes you feel more tired, and it becomes harder and harder to stay active. Many people just resign themselves to it. But here's what most people don't realize. Muscle loss isn't a one-way street. The right nutrients can help your body fight back. Stay with me, because today I'm going to share 3 T's, backed by research and real-world experience, that can help you restore muscle strength, improve your walking ability, and bring back confidence with every step you take. These aren't the everyday T's you've heard about 1,000 times. And the T in the #1 spot will completely surprise you. Before we dive in, I want to invite you into this conversation. Drop a quick comment below. What tea do you drink every day? I'll read and respond to every comment because this isn't just a video. It's a community where we learn, share, and stay strong together. For many people, over 60, weakness doesn't happen overnight. It starts slowly. Maybe you notice it's harder to stand up from a low chair, or your legs feel tired halfway through a walk you used to breeze through. You might tell yourself, it's just part of getting older. But here's the hard truth. Losing muscle doesn't just make you weaker. It can take away your independence. After 60, your body faces a challenge most people never hear about: anabolic resistance. Think of it like this. When you were younger, every bite of protein you ate was like flipping a switch that told your muscles, grow, repair, stay strong. But with age, that switch becomes harder to flip. The same amount of protein has a much weaker effect. On top of that, aging brings a silent threat: chronic low-grade inflammation. It's like a slow, steady fire inside your body that damages muscle fibers and makes them weaker. Add in reduced blood flow to the muscles, and you have the perfect storm for muscle loss. This is where certain teas can make a surprising difference. Many teas contain bioactive compounds that work in key ways. They can help reduce that inflammation, improve circulation, and support your body's ability to use protein more effectively. And while supplements can be helpful, a warm cup of tea delivers these compounds in a gentle, soothing form that's easy to make part of your daily routine. This is where it gets exciting. What if the key to turning back the clock on your muscle strength isn't just in the gym, but in your teacup? Recent research has started to confirm what traditional medicine has known for centuries. Certain plants contain powerful compounds that can directly combat the root causes of age-related muscle decline. They can help calm inflammation, protect your muscles from damage, and help your body better utilize the protein you eat to rebuild what's been lost. Today, we're going to focus on 3 specific teas. These aren't exotic, hard-to-find ingredients. They are accessible, affordable, and most importantly, supported by compelling evidence. I'm going to explain exactly what each one does and the best way to prepare it. So, grab a mug and let's get started. In a moment, I'll count down the top 3 teas that stand out. And the tea at #1, most people have never even heard of it, yet it's now backed by modern research for its powerful muscle-supporting effects. Number 3. Green tea, the morning muscle supporter. Our first tea is one you're likely familiar with: green tea. Here in the US, many people drink it for weight loss or heart health. But what most people don't realize is that green tea can also be a powerful ally in supporting muscle, especially after 60. The secret lies in its high concentration of antioxidants called catechins, particularly one named EGCG. Think of EGCG as a microscopic defense shield for your muscle cells. It works to neutralize damaging free radicals, protecting your muscles from that steady wear and tear. But it does more than just play defense. Research suggests that the compounds in green tea can support an environment where muscles can repair and grow, especially when combined with activity. Some studies have even shown that when older adults supplement with green tea catechins alongside exercise, they see better improvements in muscle function and walking speed compared to those who only exercise. Green tea also contains L-theanine, an amino acid that delivers a calm, steady focus without the jitters of coffee. This gives you a gentle boost of energy, which can be the very thing you need to get up and go for that morning walk. Now, some people tell me, "I've tried green tea, it's bitter, and I don't like the taste." That bitterness often comes from using water that's too hot. Here's the fix. Heat your water to about 175 degrees F just before it boils. Steep for just 2 to 3 minutes. The result will be smooth and easy to enjoy. You can also add a slice of lemon, not just for flavor, but because the vitamin C can help your body absorb those powerful catechins more effectively. No Bite 2. Rooibos tea, the afternoon circulation booster. Our second tea comes from the mountains of South Africa. It's called rooibos, also known as red bush tea. If you've never tried it, you're not alone. Many people have never even heard of it, but it's anything but ordinary when it comes to muscle health after 60. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free, so it won't cause jitters or interfere with sleep. What makes it truly special is its unique blend of antioxidants, including rare compounds like aspartame. These compounds are incredibly effective at calming inflammation. If you feel that deep, lingering soreness in your joints, rooibos can help soothe that internal irritation. But perhaps its most important role for aging muscles is its effect on circulation. For your muscles to repair, they need a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients. As we age, circulation can become less efficient. Rooibos helps support cardiovascular health and improve blood flow. Think of it this way. If your muscles are construction workers, good circulation is the supply truck that brings them the materials they need. Better circulation means your muscles are better nourished. Rooibos is very forgiving to brew. Simply pour boiling water over a tea bag or loose leaves and let it steep for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Unlike green tea, it doesn't get bitter. Enjoy a cup in the afternoon to fight that midday slump. Many of my older patients love rooibos because it feels like a treat, smooth, naturally sweet, and deeply comforting. As for safety, rooibos tea is safe for most. But if you have liver issues, it's always best to check with your doctor. No. 1. Ashwagandha root tea, the nightly repair brew. Which brings us to number 1, and it's ashwagandha. Sometimes called Indian ginseng, ashwagandha is one of the most research-backed herbs for improving strength and resilience, especially in older adults. What makes ashwagandha so unique? It's an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body manage stress. One of the biggest hormonal challenges we face as we age is a rise in cortisol, the stress hormone. Chronically high cortisol is catastrophic for muscle because it actively breaks down muscle tissue. This is where ashwagandha works its magic. Modern research shows it can significantly reduce cortisol levels, creating a much more favorable environment for muscle preservation and growth. In one study, older adults who supplemented with ashwagandha experienced significant gains in muscle strength and size compared to those who didn't. For someone over 60, that's a game changer. Now you might be thinking, wait, isn't this more like a supplement than a tea? That's a common misunderstanding. Yes, it's often sold in capsules, but brewing the dried root into a tea is one of the oldest, gentlest ways to take it. How and when to drink it. Here's how to prepare it. Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in a cup of water for 10-15 minutes. Strain, then drink warm. It has an earthy flavor. So many people add a splash of milk and a pinch of cinnamon. This combination not only tastes better, but also pairs ashwagandha's effects with cinnamon's blood sugar balancing benefits. As for safety, and this is important, ashwagandha is generally well tolerated, but there are a few cautions. If you have thyroid issues, autoimmune conditions, or are taking medications for blood pressure or blood sugar, check with your healthcare provider before starting. The goal is to support your health, not create unintended side effects. So there you have it. 3 teas that can help you rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Let's recap. 1. Morning. Start with green tea for antioxidant protection and a gentle energy lift. 2. Afternoon. Enjoy a cup of rooibos tea to fight inflammation and support healthy circulation. 3. Evening. Wind down with ashwagandha tea to lower stress hormones and promote deep restorative sleep, the prime time for muscle repair. The real magic here is synergy. These teas are powerful, but they're not a replacement for movement. Consistency is key. When you combine daily movement, like walking, with this tea ritual, you're giving your body the support it needs to respond. Feeling your strength decline is not something you just have to accept. You have the power to take back control. Imagine starting your day feeling energized, moving through your afternoon with less stiffness, and sleeping deeply, knowing your body is at work rebuilding your strength. That is the power of this simple ritual. It's not an overnight fix, but with consistency, you are sending your body a message of restoration. I have a question for you. Which of these 3 teas are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Your story could be the very thing that inspires someone else. And if you found this valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe. Keep showing up for yourself, one sip at a time, because after 60, the best steps you take are still ahead of you.